Welcome to 6419 Seasound Drive in the Waterset community of Apollo Beach, Florida. This wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home boasts 2,545 square feet of living space with an open-concept split-bedroom floor plan. Upon entering, you'll notice the foyer leading to the spacious grand room, open-concept kitchen with island, and family room with beautiful tile floors and fresh neutral colors. The kitchen features ample 42-inch cabinets, tons of granite counter space, a closet pantry, stainless steel appliances including the popular Café brand refrigerator and dishwasher, and a bar overlooking the family room. The primary bedroom features an access door to the patio, a large walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with double vanity sinks, garden tub, and tiled walk-in shower. The office is located in the front of the home and is huge, providing a perfect flexible space with a variety of options for use. The oversized laundry is directly off of the spacious 3-car garage, allowing room for an extra fridge/freezer or convert to a craft area. Outside you can relax on the covered patio and huge extended lanai overlooking the spacious yard. This home is located in the Waterset community, a 1,319-acre residential master plan development in Apollo Beach. The community is conveniently located near shops, restaurants, and I-75 for an easy commute to Tampa and surrounding areas. The character of the neighborhoods is enhanced by thoughtfully designed pedestrian areas, open green spaces, swimming pools, a splash pad, dog park, ponds, and conservation areas. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to make this house your new home.